My name is Madison McLeese, and I graduated from the Auto Diesel program here in March of 2018. I was actually recruited at one of the OTC career fairs with Penske. The Student Resources program helped me quite a bit to get an interview with the correct people to get me to the position that I was looking for. I actually have a little bit of a different career path. I started out with the rental department for Penske and worked my way into the service department. I have worked there for almost 4 years now, and I am a maintenance supervisor. Ohio Technical College gave me the baseline that I needed to really go into the service department and be confident. It gave me a floor to stand on to go into the industry and continue building on my knowledge.
My name is John Penny. I'm the service manager for Buckeye Power Sales. We're the Kohler generator distributor for the last 75 years for Ohio, Indiana, and Chicago. We hire service technicians primarily out of the power systems, the generation program. We have hired and sponsored a number of students. Probably 40% of our students in our company have graduated from Ohio Technical College. The overall skilled trade industry is in great need of technicians in every part of that industry. Diesel, automotive, electricians, pipe fitters, you name it. The generator industry is no different. It's a growing industry. We're mandated, and we're also considered an essential service. All of the skilled trades are deficit in their hiring, right? We have so many baby boomers retiring per day, more than what we're putting in as apprentices and trainees, that it really doesn't matter what career path you go into. You're going to come out on the other side much better. You're going to have guaranteed employment, career opportunities. You're going to have stable employment. We need more people going into the skilled trades of all sorts, and they can't be uneducated people, smart enough to be able to hook up a laptop to a truck or to hook up to a generator. They have to be able to read a print. They have to, there's no more handing blueprints, you get it on a tablet.